Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flank steak. First, select a flank steak that is about 1.5 to 2 pounds. Next, prepare a flavorful marinade using ingredients like soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Allow the steak to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, up to 12 hours in the refrigerator. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat the steak thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a beautiful, crispy sear. There are several excellent ways to cook flank steak. For a pan-seared method, heat a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot, then cook the steak for 3 to 5 minutes per side. If you prefer grilling, place the steak over medium-high heat for 4 to 6 minutes per side. Always aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare, ensuring a tender and juicy result. After cooking, the most important step is to let your flank steak rest. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Rest the steak on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, using a sharp knife, slice the steak thinly against the grain. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making the steak much easier to chew and enjoy. Flank steak is incredibly versatile and pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, from roasted asparagus to a crisp green salad. Don't let any leftovers go to waste. They're fantastic in tacos, sandwiches, or even a quick stir-fry for lunch the next day. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, delicious flank steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.